So in this video, I'm going to do something very simple. I'm going to teach you how to change your website logo, change the tagline, and change your site title. It is very basic, but a lot of beginners do not know it. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer, and on this channel I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design with WordPress. So if these are things you love, hit the subscribe button and follow tagline. So in my previous video, I've taught how to do it using the settings session. I want to teach you another way to do that. Just hover around settings, you click on general, you come here, you can put your site title here as I've done. You add all of this, okay, you change this, then you upload your site favicon. Favicon is this thing that appears here on your web browser. Okay, if you look at it here, you can see it here, you can see it here. This is the first one I taught in my previous video, so I'm going to show you a very simple way to also do that using the theme customizer. So let's hover around appearance. All right, just hover around appearance, click on customize. As soon as it loads, the next thing you need to do is to click on site identity. It can vary from theme to theme, but this is always the case in most themes. So you can see it here, you can decide to change it. Let's say I want to put this, I will actually, it will ask you to crop, so I want to crop it. Let's do that. You can skip cropping. Can you see I've uploaded this? So we want to change our site logo and title, so you can decide to select logo. So you want to upload a logo. Let me see if I have a logo in my PC I want to use. Let me quickly select this as my logo. Let's say I want to use this as my logo too. I just have to upload it so I can crop it. As you can see, my logo has been uploaded, but guess what, it looks big. That's why if you want to design a logo, you have to design it for a horizontal use. Let's quickly adjust the logo width. You come here, you do what, you drag this down, you want to change it, but we don't want our logo name to be here or our store name to be here. We just want to have a logo only. You can have a logo and a name, so it's up to you. Then we want to remove this. Just remove the site title there, and that is it. The only thing remaining there is the logo. If you want an inline logo and site title, you can switch this off. If you don't want it, switch it off, but if you want it, you can just keep it on. If you want it, let's say that diva store, for instance, okay, I have it here, so there's no point cleaning it. You just come here and deactivate it. Once you deactivate it, it will go, or you can better still remove it. I don't want inline logo and whatever to appear there. So site tagline identity visibility. Do you want the tagline, this tagline, to be visible on this, and this, on desktop, mobile, and tablets? So it's up to you. You can decide to remove it. So you can set your site icon here. I've already done that before. Now I'm not going to do that again. So let me go back to where I was. You can remove the site title from here, and then you have only your logo remaining. So this is basically how to set your site title, logo, and your tagline. So whenever you click on publish, everything will appear the way you want it. That's basically how to do all of that. Remember what I did. You just have to come to the customizer, click on site identity, then click on site title and logo settings. You will be able to change all of this. You can also design the color of the logo. That is, if you're using a text as your logo, it's up to you, but we're using a logo that is already designed. We don't have to design it again. If you want to use a transparent logo as well, you can do that here. You can set it up here, but I'm going to teach you in a separate video how to set up a transparent header. See you in my next video.